Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queen's thing, baby.
I'm gonna dance with you.
Track master, rock on.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if there's anyone new here that is visiting my channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Also at the end, leave me a comment so I can see who is watching my videos. I am trying to grow my channel. Right now I am at 3,500, I believe, and I'm trying to get to 4,000. So help me out and hit that subscribe button. So this is the channel of deals. Every time I find a deal, I want to come on here and share with you guys, because I be wanting people to share deals with me, like save me some money. And I hate when people be selfish and don't tell you where they got that deal. I hate people like that. So I'm not like that. I'm gonna hook up everybody if I can. I've been looking for Clarisonic Replacement Brush Heads, but the replica kind. I do not want to pay the price that I originally paid for my brush head for my Clarisonic, because I have the Clarisonic Mia 2. This was, I want to say, $199 when I got it. So that is already a lot. So if I can save money on replacing my brush heads, I want to. So I've been looking for different deals. I already found one deal, and that's on my channel, but I found another deal that I want to share with you guys, just in case y'all want to try out the different brush heads also. But this time I was able to get a discount code for you guys, so I'm gonna leave it in the description box, and I'm also gonna leave it on the screen. And also in this video I'm going to show me actually using my Clarisonic to clean my face out. Okay, so enough of me rambling. Let's get into this. So the website is treatme100.com. Y'all know me, I love to show the website. This website is free shipping, free 2-day shipping, and they have the replica brushes for the acne brush, the sensitive brush, and the deep pore brush. And then this chart right here just shows that these brushes are compatible with all the Clarisonics, I believe, up until the one they just came out with. Okay, so let's jump into these prices. So you can get a set of 4 for $16.99. Remember, on the Clarisonic website and Sephora, just one alone is $27.99. So this is a steal, plus that discount code that you can use. So for a set of 2 is $9.99, and then for a single one is $5.99. I think that's good, because if you just want to try it out, you get free shipping and it only costs $5.99. So that's not breaking the bank. I do have all 3. Here is what they look like in person. So it comes with the cap, and then this is the back of it, and I'm going to demonstrate it being put onto my Clarisonic. Here is the green one. I believe that's the acne one. Yeah, the acne one. And then here is the blue one, which is the deep pore, which will be the one I demonstrate when I use it. I'm just demonstrating how easy it is to pop the replacement or the replica brush in. I twisted it in with no problem and turned it on. I do not have problem skin, so I just use a regular face cleanser, but I do make sure it's oil free because I have combination skin. So I go in with 2 or 3 pumps. Today is just 2, and I run that under the water and wash my face. So for me, I don't do anything special at all. I just go in a circular motion around my whole face. I make sure I get my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. If I do have a pop-up pimple, it's most likely on my cheeks. But I promise, ever since I've been using my Clarisonic, even with this replica brush, I do not get these pop-up pimples every so often like I used to get them. Like, I love this Clarisonic, and I'm so happy that I can just find a cheap replacement brush that works just as great. So the brush head I'm using right here is the deep pore. I do have deep pores on my cheeks area, on my cheek area. So once I'm done with my facial routine, I start moisturizing my face. It was recommended for me to use a stick of cocoa butter because I have a burn mark, and then I have a couple of dark marks around my face from scarring from little pop-up pimples. This area right here below my bottom lip is darker because I don't know, like this past winter it became real dry and itchy and I was scratching it, and now it has a dark mark on my chin and I freaking hate it. And then right here is a burn mark from me using some curling irons like almost a year ago, and it's still there. The dark mark is still there. So it was suggested for me to use cocoa butter, so hopefully those go away soon because I freaking hate them. And then the other moisturizer I use is a Neutrogena. I use the oil-free kind because I have combination skin. And that is it. So once I put 2 pumps on my face and wipe that in, I am good to go. And this is my facial routine. I don't do anything else. I want to thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to use that discount code. Hook yourself up and try out those replica brushes. Until next time, bye.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queen's thing, baby.
I wanna dance with you.
Trap master, rock on.